Tired of limited crafting tools? Frustrated with bulky equipment? Struggle with precision in small projects? Meet the universal mini milling machine. Check the description to get the best price on Amazon. Compact, versatile, and efficient. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and educators. Transform your workspace effortlessly. Switch between end and horizontal milling. Dual modes for diverse crafting needs. Boosts manual skills and intelligence. Ideal for hobbyists and model makers. Safe 12V DC, transformer powered. Encourages independent thinking in children. Craft with wood, plastic, soft metals. Not suitable for alloys, remember. High-speed motor for efficient processing. Adjustable low-speed motor available. Durable aluminum alloy construction. Withstands regular use without wear. Main parts made of quality metal. Improved precision and longevity. Includes essential accessories for convenience. Goggles and apron for safety. Easy to handle. Weighs just 3 kilograms. Fits perfectly in small spaces. Great for juvenile activity centers. Ideal for school technical rooms. Perfect for science and tech rooms. Enhance student creativity in science museums. Cost-effective solution for dual milling. No more cluttered workspaces. Say goodbye to imprecise cuts. Achieve professional results at home. Before, frustrating, limited, bulky. After, precise, versatile, compact. Experience seamless crafting today. Upgrade your DIY toolkit now. Empower your creativity effortlessly. Craft with confidence and ease. Universal mini milling machine awaits. Order yours and transform your projects. Unleash your potential with precision. Join the community of creators. Craft smarter, not harder. Elevate your projects to new heights. Perfect for hobbyists and educators. A must-have for every workshop. Make crafting enjoyable and efficient. Don't miss out on this tool. Revolutionize your crafting experience. Crafting made simple and effective. Empower your DIY journey. Precision and versatility in one. Craft with the best, forget the rest. Universal mini milling machine, your ally. Transform ideas into reality. Crafting has never been this easy. Get yours and start creating. Check the description to get the best price on Amazon. Perfect tool for small projects. Crafting excellence within reach. Discover the joy of precise crafting. Craft with passion and precision. Your crafting journey starts here. Universal mini milling machine, the future. Craft with innovation and skill. The tool every creator needs. Precision crafting at your fingertips. Unlock your creative potential. Craft like a pro, effortlessly. Order now and start crafting.